Yeah, what's up guys? How's it going? Testing, 1 2 1 2.
So we're here at Edwin's right now, about to leave and head out to one of our buddies' house. Ed, what are you doing to your car today?
Oh, I'm gonna do some coilovers today, hopefully, if the weather permits. Looks like it's gonna rain though, but we'll see.
Big plans?
Big plans, bro. Finally gonna go back into my summer setup. Can't wait.
Alright guys, so you guys are gonna get to see how these coilovers go back in, hopefully. Our friend's installing some control arms, so we might get some shots of that for you guys. Ed's really excited to put his wheels back on now that it's nice and warm out.
Yep.
So hopefully we get a good video for you guys.
Hopefully. Here's hoping.
So first step, what are you doing right now?
Alright, so there's a bolt right here. You gotta get off. So you can just take off the sway bar from, no, not the sway bar, the control arm. So we can, you're supposed to take off the end link. Where is it? You're supposed to take it off from here. But if you take this bolt off, you can just pry it down.
Yeah.
Take off the spring, put in the perch in the lowering spring, and save yourself some time.
Pro tip.
Pro tip.
Got this, Ed.
What's I throw?
I'm trying to throw it.
What have I taught you?
What? You have not taught me nothing.
I know.
Oh, 40 roll!
Oh! It was right there.
Yo, that's
Okay.
good with his mouth.
You need? I'm not good with
This is
my still.
Okay.
You need to practice with your wife.
GG.
Alright, last one.
I'm not. I'm just keep
Awesome.
dropping it over.
Easy. Kind of stripped it a bit. It's alright, should be fine. We'll force it back in.
No issues?
No issues. So, trying to see the size, the height of my rears with these springs. I don't know, what do you guys think? Should it just be flush as fuck or just track ready? Let me know in the comments below. Until then, I gotta just guess it. Yo, if there's a red mark on my forehead, I just smacked my head. So that piece of shit.
Stupid jack, eh?
Now you might be wondering how. It's because I'm dumb.
What happened?
I wasn't paying attention and I tried to pull it down and it just like sprung back into my face. It's great.
GG.
GG for real.
Yo, man, who invited this tornado?
That was you, Jesse.
I don't like tornadoes.
There we go. Got it. Yeah, that's gonna flank.
One sec. I'm gonna get the
It's a boy.
Thank you.
Thank you, bro.
I would like to take off my
Saying Ken got that spring out with
Oh,
ease.
hang on.
Cut it.
we have our own handshake.
Hey, Con?
Go ahead.
Got it out with ease?
No problem.
Look at this man. It flex for me. Look at this.
Where? Where though?
Okay. It seems to have got stuck now. Yo, you might not. Get it in from the top. Oh no, I can't get it in though because it's too small.
GG.
GG. For real. Oh. Hey. Always make sure you're tightening it, not loosening. Oh. Call me Nigel. Oh shit. going. Alright, stop. Let go. Push it down a little bit. Okay, stop.
Okay, push up again. Just a little smidge. See the stop. Okay, I need that bolt. Where the fuck that bolt go? Okay, that's the one. Thank you. Hey.
I got you.
Okay.
Bam, bam. Where's the torque?
Hopefully it's in. No, I don't want to strip it. No.
Success?
Success. No issues.
1 out of 4 complete.
Air gun helps a lot.
Always use an air gun when you can.
When you can.
Done.
I got the 14 long one.
Get her done.
You're done.
That's a toughie.
Scram.
Just like that, the strut is out.
Alright guys, so I'm finally putting in the perch on the right to the left side of the rear. Oh, the spring took fucking forever to come off. But it's finally off thanks to Ken. And we can move on with the stuff.
I used to say I was sincere.
Pretty low, but it's not that bad. I can definitely run that. Alright guys, trying to do the fronts.
Can't even spin it. I'm gonna. It looks tighter.
The struggles of working on a car in the rain.
And at night.
At the
And at
umbrella.
night.
And
And
at
at
night.
night.
And in boxers.
And in
not
boxers.
like pajamas, bro.
Boxers.
Pajama shorts.
Pajama shorts.
How's the coils going, Ed?
Not.
Grade out of 10?
Grade out of 10, not great.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 would do.
Not
again.
great out of 10. Huh?
Yeah, not grade out of 10, bro.
Car's done.
0 out of 10. Dash.
Ken's happy, bro. How's the coilovers in it?
Almost done.
10
Yeah?
out of 10 IGN.
Ready for the track?
No water.
This is my
No
track right
water.
here.
Big movements.
And
Small
boxers.
steps.
Full bolt
And
on
boxers.
next.
Full
Stay
bolt.
tuned for full bolt on, big turbo.
Dash Drover.
Speed Daddy, shout out.
Eco peak.
Honestly, Speed Daddy, if you're watching right now, please hook my boy up here
I'm
with
already
a
hooked
full
up.
turbo back.
Go
Some
for it.
like nice top mount parts, you know,
I've already sponsored.
sponsored. Like,
Oh, fuck,
Eco
this
peak.
stinks.
The man right there.
Oh my gosh. It's quiet, it's quiet,
She's
it's
laying in her
fine.
window. She's like grilling me right now. Sorry.
is she actually?
Yeah. She's looking. I'm just like, yo, I'll fight.
Peace.
You're there. Shut up! You can't even see you, bro. You look like an unlockable character. Right now.
Wow.
He's like, yo, Casper, what are you saying, bro?
Damn, straight
It's like my man. Chicken's clean. Yo, record me, bro.
So Jesse just took out the strut because he's amazing.
Because he's too deep.
Jesse, what do you have to say?
Dab, dab.
All I see is a hand.
Just dab. Just dab. Just dab.
Dab away, bro.
He's out, he's out.
He's on his one.
Yeah, I don't know. It's late. It's raining.
Yo, just work it, bro.
The man of
Nah,
the
I'm just
hour.
wait, let's fuck it. Work until dawn, right, Ken? He's off anyways.
Rip your sleep schedule.
What's sleep?
And mine too.
Sleep is for the week.
Finally done the left side. Working on the right. Mad late. Trying to get home. Ken needs to sleep.
That's all she's doing?
Stay tuned. Hopefully we're done in the next hour.
That's all she's doing.
Right, guys, so we're putting in the strut now. The coilover, finally. Last one.
After 25 million hours.
Fucking Ken, thanks again. I appreciate it.
Free food.
Free food. Thank you, De La Cruzes.
Food's always good when you do something, right?
Oh my god, yeah. My ass is wet. From water.
Oh, I was gonna say.
Okay.
It's probably Jordan.
Jordan, maybe. I don't know.
Where are the bolts at? Oh,
What?
these ones aren't like that.
No, this is done. We're already out.
Okay.
It's right there.
Yeah, but these ones don't have that stupid nut on the end. Oh.
No. So I was trying to tell you, bro. Sorry. Come on, bro. Pay attention.
I only speak on Norwegian.
Oh, okay. Oh, this thing was ripped off the T1.
Okay, these are tight.
Yeah? Alright, time to jack this shit. You're right. Where are my manners?
Seriously. Right? Ken should have told you.
No, fucking Ken's the master at
Ken, man.
foreplay.
I
Right,
should
Ken?
know this. What?
Master of foreplay?
I am still.
Push. 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 Alright, where's that?
Yes.
There he goes.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Boy, you're gonna rub like a bitch, man.
Yeah, I know.
Jeez.
That shadow though.
Thank you.
Literally one bolt.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You guys got it up?
See.
Yeah. Yeah,
Oui.
we're just tightening out every year.
That's good. Stop it.
There.
It doesn't fit, guy. Oh no. Hold on, guy.
Hold on, guy.
Hold on, guy.
I'm not like that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fucking Jesse, man.
Whoa, boy.
Joker!
Mi casa, su casa. What?
There's a store of people called that. I was gonna take a photo and send it to Jared.
Bobo?
Yeah, actually.
That's funny. What is that, like dumb?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go. Oh, that's. There you
Bruh. My back hurts
go. Just take it.
so bad.
I was trying
I
to.
bet it does.
He was like,
It
no,
just
bro.
hurts a lot.
Yeah.
He was like, yo, I was happy in the bed. What are you doing? Those two different bolts?
Yeah,
One's
it's
a
the security
security.
one.
Oh.
Come on, bro.
Oh,
Get with the
shit.
times, bro.
You should know this, Dad. See, my mom knows better.
Mom knows best.
Mom knows
Mom
best.
knows.
Always. Whoa, boy.
Oh my gosh.
Shots fired.
Alright, guys, so we're finally finished. Thank you again, Ken, for letting me do this at your place. It's mad late and I appreciate it. Finally lowered, as you can see. Looks fucking amazing. We even put on my strut bar, nice and red. But yeah, guys, I hope you liked it. Tune in for more. Comment and subscribe in the bottom, you know. That's it. North Runner's coming at you. Later.